Searching for helpful arthritis tips. Look below. With well over 100 different types of arthritis, it is little wonder that millions upon millions of people are diagnosed with the condition every year all over the world. The information found in this selection of arthritis tips and tricks will shine some light on the mysteries of arthritis and its symptoms. Thinking positive thoughts can help you to cope with arthritis pain. It might sound silly, but a strong mind/body connection does exist. If your mind thinks positive, it is difficult for your body to feel negative. Fill your life with happiness and you might just find that your pain quickly diminishes. Think about learning yoga as a new pastime. Studies show that yoga's low-impact stretching helps to loosen the tendons and build the muscles which surround your joints, lessening both inflammation and pain. One way to tackle the symptoms of arthritis is reduce the stress you feel in your life. The chemicals released by your body when you are stressed can aggravate your arthritis and increase your sensitivity to pain. A good way to reduce stress is regular exercise. You also may try managing your time more efficiently or eliminating avoidable stressful situations. Cigarettes can diminish flexibility, as well as increase the chances of an arthritic flare-up. Though breaking the smoking habit can be challenging, knowing that it will improve your arthritis may be just the incentive you have been looking for. Begin a daily habit of doing stretching exercises. Arthritis sufferers often lose flexibility over time, leading to sore joints and muscles. Stretching each muscle daily can help to prevent or delay this loss of mobility. Work from your feet up without forgetting any muscles. Talk to a doctor about electrical stimulation if you have osteoarthritis in a single or both knees. Studies have shown that this treatment is quite effective in reducing arthritis pain and swelling in the knees. Get extra rest before doing something stressful. No matter what anyone tells you, a stressful event in your life can drain you even more quickly, if you have arthritis. Prepare for these events by sleeping in, taking naps, and perhaps even eating a little extra. Having that boost of energy when you need it, will come in very handy. If you or someone that you are close to suffers from arthritis, you should know that it is very important to stay positive. While there is no cure for arthritis, following the advice in this video will offer you some insight into the various options available for the treatment and management of the disease. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.